So this is triagonal planar. Total number of electron domains is 3. Type of molecule is an AB2. And number of lone pairs is 1. An example of it is sulfur dioxide. This is a tetrahedral, and there's total number of electron domains is 4. There's 2 types of molecules, AB3 and AB2. The AB3 has 1 lone pair of electrons, and the AB2 has 2. Example of the first one is ammonia. An example of the second one is water. So this is a trigonal bipyramidal, and it has 5 total number of electron domains. There's 3 different kinds, AB4, AB3, and AB2. AB4 has 1 lone pair. An example of that is sulfur tetrafluoride. AB3 has 2 lone pairs. An example of that is chlorine trifluoride. And AB2 has 3 lone pairs. An example of that is iodine monofluoride. And this is an octahedral. It has 6 total number of electron domains. There's 2 different types, AB5 and AB4. AB5 has 1 number of lone pair of electrons. An example of that is bromine pentafluoride. And AB4 has 2 lone pairs. An example of that is xenon tetrafluoride.